Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. As we get up to over 100 subscribers, I just wanted to thank you so much for indulging me on a passion that I really have, is talking about stocks and the overall stock market. I hope that you found some of my stock picks worthwhile to take a look at. And as you know, with anybody that buys stocks in the market, some of my stocks have done really well and some of my stocks haven't done really well. But I hope you've had fun looking at my daily picks and some advice that I've given over the last 3 months. Now, going forward, we're really going to keep talking about stocks, but we're also going to talk about two major things that I think you should be looking at as part of investing. And once again, you should do your own due diligence and really have fun investing your hard-earned money into the stock market. There's two things I'd want you to take a look at. You want to look at the price of oil right now with the ticker symbol of WTI. This is really a big momentum builder for stocks right now. With the price of oil going up, that's affecting every sector in the market. So WTI was over $110 a barrel today. If the war keeps going on, we're going to be looking at $150. Once the war comes off, the price of oil is going to go dramatically down. And I feel that the stock market, once oil comes down over the next 4 to 5 weeks, that the stock market is really going to take off. So definitely take a look at WTI. The next thing you want to be looking at, and it's probably going to be one of the biggest IPOs ever, looking at like a June to July timeframe, is SpaceX. Following this pretty well on CNBC and Bloomberg, but SpaceX is going to be a monster IPO. They're talking about $2 trillion. So keep your eye out on SpaceX, keep your eye out on WTI, and I hope that you would subscribe to the channel. If you have stocks that you're looking at, don't hesitate to comment below. And comment on anything you want to talk about in relation to the stock market. And once again, make investments fun for you. Look at the underlying principles of the stocks you're looking at, PE ratio, the market capitalization. And once again, invest in companies that you know. And finally, just a little bit of investment each week will compound interest over the lifetime of your investments. And once again, some of your investments are going to do well and some of them aren't going to do as well, but you're really looking for long-term growth ultimately to your retirement. So hopefully you have a fun investing day today, and as you go into a long weekend, happy Easter to you and your family, and let's continue to make investments fun. Have a great day.